what's growing on? I'm Angie, the plant-loving mom, and today I'm going to show you how I have been regrowing lettuce and celery in water on my countertop. So let's get started. 2 weeks ago, I cut this off the bottom of a head of romaine just like this, and I placed it in this dish of water on my counter next to my arrow garden where it received light from the grow light. And after 2 weeks, they are already 3 inches tall. This is one that I did with celery. It works with romaine lettuce and celery. So this celery, it isn't as fast of growth as the lettuce. This is only about an inch, maybe an inch and a half tall, but it does work. All you have to do is take your romaine lettuce. I got this organic romaine lettuce at Aldi. And you just need to cut the bottom off like this and place it in a dish of water. Let it get some good light and it will regrow. Now, I did this with organic, and organic does work best for regrowing. This bag of organic romaine was actually the same price today as the conventionally grown romaine. So always check, because a lot of organic products do have similar prices as their non-organic counterparts. Well, everyone, I hope I've inspired you to regrow vegetables on your kitchen counter from your scraps that you would have thrown away anyway. Well, I'd like to remind you to be like the Stegosaurus and eat plants. Keep growing, everybody. Bye. Thanks for watching, everyone. Now you know what to do. Click that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any more tips or tricks. Also, I think you'd love these other videos. Check them out. See you later, everyone.